पणजेच्या तालिगांव कम्युनिटी हॉलात फर्निचर एक्सपोचे 4 दिसांचे प्रदर्शन घडून हाडला। घरच्या सजावटीच्या विविध वस्तूंचे प्रदर्शन फर्निचर एक्सपोन चालू केला। लोकांचो ताका उपाट प्रतिसाद लाभला। घरांक उपेगाक पडपी वस्तू, लाकडी सामान आणि हेर सजावटींच्यो वस्तू अशे तरेचे आयटम विकपी स्टॉलां कम्युनिटी हॉलात प्रदर्शनाक दवरल्यात। वेगवेगळ्या विक्रेत्यांनी आपली स्टॉलां लायल्यात आणि तांकां उपाट प्रतिसादय मेळटा। सोमारा 6 तारीख मेरेन प्रदर्शन चालू उरतले।
And we have an expo here at Taleigao Community Center, and this started yesterday on the 3rd, and this is going to take place till the 6th of this month, that is till the Monday. So here we have more than 100 stalls of different vendors with different kind of furniture, starting from the contemporary sets to the shisham wood to the teak wood, and a lot more for you guys to see. So I suggest you walk in and have a look, since you might have to set up for this Diwali something new at your place, and there are beautiful offers going on. And other than that, you also get to see some consumer stalls and a beautiful outdoor stall wherein you can find a lot of outdoor stuff. And the expo will begin from the 10 in the morning till 9 in the night. So you guys are most welcome to have a look and purchase something nice for your families, and happy Diwali.
GOA365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, समृता खणगांवकर आनी निखिल जल्मी।